What's up, guys? So I want to ask all of my subscribers a small favor. So as you know, I do a lot of what to do videos over the years, and my daughter is now 3 and she wanted to do her first what to do how-to video, so to speak. So we created her a channel. I'm going to upload a video of that on this channel now. If you guys could just take a second and go over there and subscribe to her channel, that would just be awesome. We have her watching her channel and counting the subscribers, and I just thought it'd be really cool if I could get some of my people to go over there and just hit subscribe. It doesn't send you any spam. There's nothing involved with it. It takes 2 seconds. You click a button that says subscribe, and the faster we can get to 1,000 subscribers on her channel, we can get her monetized, and she can actually start making money from it. And we're going to upload videos once a week on it. So here's the video she did on how to make slime. And please go subscribe and give her a like, guys. It means a lot. Thanks.
Hello, inside. Today I'm slime. Diddle, food cutters, shampoo, ball, fork, water. Pour shampoo in a bowl. Open the food cutters. Red and green and yellow, blue. It's pretty good. Now have a shower. I'm making blue slime. Open in red. We now showing it. Now put a kettle. Now dump in the water. Now put a lid on it. Now put it in the refrigerator. Ready something to start. Dad, bye-bye. Subscribe my channel. Give me a like. Comment below. Bye-bye.